how to create an AR emoji for incoming call backgrounds on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. In here, tap on the more button at the top. Then tap on settings. Next, we go down and then tap on call background. Next, tap on the background button at the bottom. From here, tap on the more button at the top. Then tap on create using AR emoji. Now in here, you can create emoji with camera or create emoji from image. So if you already have an image, you can choose that one. Now see here, please do not create AR emojis in a way that infringes any intellectual property. So you can just tap on the continue button. And from the list here, select an image that you want to use. Then tap on done. Next, select a profile and then tap on next. And here you can set up the style. So you can choose a style, the hairstyle. So select one of the styles that you want to use. This one, and then we go down and here we got mustache, face type. So you can choose the face type, the color, and the shape. You can readjust the color and the shape here. So go all the way down. It's quite a lot of adjustment that you can make. So you can change the forehead, make it higher or shorter, left chin, cleft chin. So we can change that. Wrinkles, and then you got blush, face paint, and then here next one is eyebrows. So it's quite a lot of selection to choose from. And then you got shapes, so you got eye shape. Then you get eyelashes. So go through here and then set up all the different style that you want to use. And then here is the look, and then this is the style. So you can make your own clothes, or you can choose from a selection below here. So I'm just gonna choose something random. I'll just change the top to something else. Wait, that's a bit better. Okay, so go through that, and then once you're happy, tap on the save button at the top. Okay, so now it has created a AR emoji, and we're going to go back. So we create the first AR emoji profile. Now we tap on the back key, and that is how you can create the AR emoji. Okay, so once you have created the profile, you can then download the video from AR Emoji. So what you want to do is tap on create using AR Emoji back in here. Then tap on that. And then down here are a list of different videos that you could download. So you can filter them by dance, fun, or party, or select all. Here you can scroll across and then choose one that you want to use. So it's quite a bit of a selection right here. So just select any. So go through here and select one that you like. You can also turn on sound or turn off sound. Here we can choose different background color. Then tap on save. This will allow you to download the video. Once the video has been downloaded, then you can set that as a video background. So here it is downloading. Alright, so download has completed, and then now you can choose use video sound as ringtone. You can turn it on or switch it off. Then tap on set as call background. And that's it. So that is what it looks like when you receive an incoming call. This is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.